Talk about other people buying. I did this all the time with advertising. It was fantastic with advertising. I used to say this any time of year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Didn't matter. Do you know what I used to say? I say this is a really busy time of year for us because people are gearing up for Christmas. I'm like, Christmas? It's March. I'm like, yeah, exactly. People are preparing already for the Christmas rush. It's March. So now they're sitting there going, it's March. We haven't even thought about Christmas yet. All these other businesses are thinking about Christmas. They're thinking about doing adverts at Christmas. It's March. We haven't even thought about Christmas. Oh shit, Christmas, shit. I used to say that any time of year. December 1st or January 1st. I'd say January 1st, I used to say, when I used to go to meetings, I'd say, you know what's funny about January? They say, what? I say, we sign up most of our Christmas advertising this month. They go, really? I go, yeah, we're preparing for Christmas in January. After Christmas, everyone's made a lot of money with TV advertising. People have made a lot of money in the campaigns we've already run. So now they're already preparing for the next campaigns at Christmas. So we're actually gearing up for Christmas right now. People be sitting there going, oh, maybe I need to do a campaign at Christmas. Other people are doing things. You're not doing anything. You are lazy. You are slow. Other people are ahead of you. Quickly, get on the train. The train's leaving. Quickly, get on. Quickly, pay the invoice. Yep, thanks. That's how you do it.